When using lime ball press, what should we pay attention to? First, when using lime ball press, we should pay attention to check every part on the device, so as not to affect the production of failure. Second, when the lime ball press is working normally, we should pay attention to check whether the belt is off track. If there is an off-track problem, we can adjust the roller bearing before and after the top wire. 3. In the pressed materials, should pay attention to check whether there are metal substances. 4. In the normal operation of the lime ball press, to ensure that the material must be sufficient, so as to avoid the occurrence of air pressure. Before the equipment starts to operate, the machine should be idled for several times before adding materials, because when the machine starts at the beginning, it is necessary to see how much material it can fill into the maximum, so that the equipment will not be damaged.